Hi guys! Kamusta? Ako si Red Perez at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipan niyo rin tayo ni bell button dito sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito kay Jetro Alaban. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapakinggan yung kanyang voice. Kaya i-play na natin to without further ado. Let's do begin in 1, 2, 3. Go, tara! Play na natin. So, eto na guys.
Imagine God telling you this. Come stop your crying, it'll
Wow.
be alright.
Ang ganda ng boses niya.
Just take my hand,
Oh.
hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you.
Oh.
I will be here, don't you cry.
Oh, grabe yung voice tone niya, ha? Sobrang
For one
ganda.
so small, you seem so strong. My arms will
I
hold you,
like the
keep you
accent though.
safe and warm. This bond between us can't be
Ang
broken.
galing.
I will be here, don't you cry.
Eh, ang ikli naman. Isa pa.
Imagine God telling you this.
Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung
Come
voice niya.
stop your
Yung voice tone
crying,
niya.
it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it
Galing.
tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't
Ang
you
galing niya, no?
cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you
Galing, galing, galing.
cry.
Ang galing niya, no? Gustong-gusto ko yung boses niya, sobrang lamig, no? Tapos yung accents, grabe, no? Lakas maka-Hollywood singer ng voice tone niya, eh. Alright, kung nagustuhan niyo to guys, bigyan itong malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa akin channel. Bye po!